Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be re-thermal pasting the CPU on the Windows 95 PC. This thing is an old AST Advantage. If you have never seen it on the channel yet, I do got a couple of videos about it. Recently replaced the CD drive on it because the CD drive was dead. The whole front of it's falling apart. The little button piece fell out and disappeared somewhere in here. I'm not really sure where it's at, sadly. Boy, oh boy. This thing is so old. So this is where I begin to disassemble and just kind of pretty much get the CPU out and start figuring out where exactly it's at and removing the CPU. I was actually having mic problems. I do apologize. So we're going to do a little time lapse of that here and we'll begin. You can see here really quick that I am putting the CPU back on after cleaning all that thermal paste off. I'm also making the X formation with the new thermal paste. I feel that that is the best way to get the thermal paste to spread across the heatsink. Looks like I'm going to put that back on now and then we will continue. Alright, well this is the end of this video. I know it didn't seem like much. We were having a little bit of camera issues this time. But the CPU is in, and the computer does turn on and does heat up properly like it's supposed to. And it's also cooled as well like it's supposed to. So, I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.